chicken stock, heavy whipping cream, Old Bay seasoning, garlic seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic paste, tomato paste, and here's the veggies you would need: green pepper, red pepper, and onions, mozzarella cheese, Cajun sausages, smoked salmon. Okay, so I start by sauteing my Cajun sausages. And then I saute my salmon. I have my shrimp over here cooking. It doesn't take long to cook some shrimp. And then I'm going to saute my veggies. Make sure you wash your veggies very good. I'm going to saute my veggies until they are translucent. I'm going to add all my seasonings to the veggies. Then I'm going to add the tomato paste and the garlic paste. And then I'm going to add the heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add the chicken stock. And I'm going to stir everything until it's evenly combined. I'm going to add the cheese. Make sure everything is stirred until it's evenly combined. And then I'm going to add my sausages and salmon. Stir everything until evenly combined. And then I'm going to top my rice with seasoned shrimp. The sauce is almost done. I'm going to top the shrimp with the creamy sauce. And here it go. Smoky Bayou Jambalaya. Y'all, it looks so delicious and smells so good in this kitchen right now. You gotta try it.